If you've come across Ozoori and you're wondering if it's legit, you're not alone. A lot of people are asking the same question. Is Ozoori actually worth trying? Or is this just another website you should avoid? In this quick Ozoori Bewertung review, let's take a closer look. First, Ozoori appears to be an online platform offering products to shoppers. The website may look professional at first glance, but that doesn't automatically mean it's trustworthy. And this is where you need to be careful. Before buying anything, check the company information. Look for a real business address. Check the contact details. And make sure there's a clear return and refund policy. Customer reviews are also important. Don't just look at reviews displayed on the website itself. Search for independent reviews. Check what real customers are saying. Look for complaints about shipping, product quality, refunds, or customer service. Another thing to watch is pricing. If Ozoori is offering products at prices that seem unbelievably cheap, take a step back. Huge discounts can sometimes be a warning sign. Also, check the payment options. Using a payment method with buyer protection is generally safer than sending money through methods that are difficult to reverse. So, is Ozoori legit or a scam? My quick verdict is this: don't rush into buying. I wouldn't call it a scam without solid evidence. But I also wouldn't blindly trust it. Do your research first. Check independent customer feedback. Read the policies. And make sure you understand what you're buying.